Hello everyone, welcome back to Galaxy Station. Today, my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra just received the June 2025 monthly security update, and I am going to walk you through the entire update process while sharing some important safety tips and explaining why these updates actually matters. This update is specifically for the model SMS918B, and it likely most probably a simple monthly update. It includes security improvements and bug fixes. There's nothing flashy or feature packed this time, but these updates are crucial for keeping your phone secure and stable. Even if you don't see any new features, these patches often removes vulnerabilities that hackers and malware could potentially exploit. Before I am going to talk about the importance and precautions about any security update, let me download the update first. Now, why should you care about monthly security update? Because it helps protect your data and privacy. It also improves your system performance, and any new software update ensure compatibility with newer apps, and sometimes they bring battery or even some camera optimizations under the hood. Okay, now before hitting the install button, here are some precautions you should always take. Charge your phone. Make sure your phone has at least 50% battery before the process. Backup your important data. Although updates don't usually delete anything, but a backup gives you peace of mind. Using Wi-Fi. These updates can be large sometimes, so avoid using mobile data unless you are using a unlimited plan. And please don't interrupt the process. Once the updating is started, don't turn off your phone or do not do anything. After the successful download, it will take few minutes to complete the update, and your phone will restart once it's done. And that's it. The June update is for you. Don't forget to check your security patch level in About Phone Info to make sure everything went smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Galaxy Station. This type of video might seem silly to someone who are a tech enthusiast, but for normal people, this type of videos are very helpful, and they are commenting and demanding for this type of videos regularly. So let me know in the comment section if your phone has received the update yet. See you in the next one.